Okay, so I feel like I just inhaled my mic right now because right now my mic ain't even close to my mouth. No. Wait, wait, what's that sound? Is that the sound of my mouse on my mouse pad? Well, what happened to my mic, bro? My mic! My mic, bro! My mic, bro! It's broken. Wait, what about the keyboard? My keyboard. What about the keyboard? Oh gosh. Oh no. Oh no. And I promise my mic is far away. Well, if I stand like 20 kilometers away from my mic, would I be still, could I still be heard? Oh gosh, I did. Yeah, my desk sound was like this. I'm gonna play an actual theme song on it. Oh gosh. Oh gosh, bro. Disappear. No, if I just slap my door, if I just slap a door, if I slap my door, can, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, golly, that's, oh my, wait, that's the sound of my, that's literally the sound of my, speaker, and my microphone is far from it. This is, but okay, this, well, hi, I'm just rubbing it, well, I promise I don't have glass in my room right now, nor metal. What the frick? What the frick? This is my camera! My camera! This is the sound of my camera, I confirm it. Oh, crap, okay. I don't know if this has to do with something with my internet being broken or something, but oh gosh, that's me tapping on my, lots of glasses. Oh, stop. If I touch my camera, there's sound. If I touch a single grain of dust, there's sound. Look, watch this. I'm gonna rub this, I don't know. Oh my gosh, bro. Well, and that's a box. My My fingerprints are probably causing this. No, stop! Stop making that noise! Keyboard ASMR, I guess. What the frick, bro? It's been like 5 minutes into this. I have a dog in my room, that's what it sounds like. My mouse. Wait, can I change like this audio? Oh, not to. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! I can't change it, bro. Oh no, Rose! Oh no! Oh no! Yay! Rubbing my I lost my train of thought so much that I forgot what fingers are. I'm rubbing my fingers onto the mouse pad and ow, it's burning. What the wait, what the you son of a what the well, I have a little bell in my room, and it's my camera causing it. I also have a grater in here. Wonder what that's for. But let's see what else. Oh gosh, no. That's I don't know what it's called. Oh gosh. I was just gonna scream using Rex's card gaming, but my internet is bad. My Wi-Fi is bad. Oh wait, no, that's Papyrus, not Rex's card. God damn it. Yeah, that's him. Oh gosh, that's the sound of my Santa rocking the wall. Bro, it's been like 9 minutes into this. Oh, wait. I never knew my keyboard sounded like that. Oh my god, no! Bro. Okay, let's do some math. Let's do some math, bro. I said let's do some math. That's math. Anyways, if you want more some of these math tips, just subscribe though. It says it in the equation right there. Oh gosh, no. No, great, Papyrus has this. Bro, that's me hitting a wire. Let me see. That's a door. Ow! What the? What the frick I do with a rocket? It's been like 11 minutes into this. Are you freaking? Oh my god! Am I the last one? Oh man, they're dirty as hell, bro. They dirty as I wonder how long this video will be. Oh gosh, it's 12 and 20 seconds. 12 minutes and 25 seconds. What the frick, bro? Bro. And the printer feels good. Yeah. And maybe I'll end it here. Yeah, I'm gonna end it using my dog. My dog, bro. My pit bull named Butterflowers. Butterflowers, why are you biting the camera, bro? Why? Stop biting the camera, bro. Wait, don't stop recording.